Hey, what's up guys? It's Matt. Really glad to be here today. It's gonna be a 3-minute Thursday, a pretty quick, painless video. It's been requested that with the guides that show up on the top of the screen here during some of the song videos, see a few things about what I mean by low mix, mid mix, high mix. Most of you probably know and can figure it out. Just gonna do a quick video, just some snippets of what I mean by that for the way I play and the way my rig is set up. Yours can be totally different, and that's totally fine. The thing about it is there's no like one way to do anything. I even say that there's hardly any rules. The way I view mid mix, low mix, high mix, like let's say we're talking about reverbs, you know, that might be totally something different for you. Up in the top left-hand corner, you're gonna see the drive section. And in the middle, you're gonna see the delays, and then in the far right is gonna be reverb. Mainly because in worship, one, if not all of those, are usually on any point in time in the song. Then you will see like things like say little dirty. That was just my way of saying just make it just a little bit dirty. I mean, just literally how it says. But I'll show you kind of what I mean for the way I play and the way my rig is set up. All right, guys, thanks for watching this. If you have any questions or anything like that, hit me up, go in the comments. I'm an open book. Again, I'm also nobody, so if you have a different way of doing it, a better way of doing it, then let it be known in the comments, help other people out. We'll start the video by putting up 3 minutes on the clock and see if I can get this thing in 3 minutes. So there you have it, guys. I hope this helps. Future song videos that I upload, again, this is just the way I play, the way my stuff is set up. You don't have to do it exactly like that. You know, if you want more mix in your high mix, if you want to double up reverbs, you can. No big deal. That's why I love what we do. There's so much creativity in it, and it really truly makes us artists in what we do. But always talk to your front of house engineers and your monitor engineers. See if there's something needed out of any part of your board or your rig, anything that comes out kind of muddy or whatever it is, always talk to them and see what better you can do on the EQ side of things. I enjoy making these. Let me know if there's anything else I can do. This was, again, by request, and I love that. There's so that we're talking back and forth. If you want to add anything, any ideas or anything like that, hit it up in the comments below. I'm really glad I got to do this today. It's a breath of fresh air just to kind of be in communication with you all. So love you all. Keep praying, keep playing.